Hello everyone, welcome back to one more video from this channel. This week's video is mostly on the weekly stocks which I do give out at times, on which I am keeping a watch. So this can be either swing or intraday. So what I usually do is if there is still potential left in these stocks, I carry forward them for the very next day. Otherwise, I try to square off the positions in intraday itself. So this entire week you can keep these stocks on watchlist and you can monitor them for different technicals. Okay. So before getting into the video, the views shared in this video are only for educational purposes, and this channel or content is no way responsible for your process or profits or losses. Okay. So these are the list of stocks from 25th March 2019 to 29th March 2019. So for long view, I have shortlisted 3 stocks. One is Infi, MGL and Axis Bank. And on the bearish side, I have shortlisted Marico and Suzuki. So one easy strategy what you can do to trade these stocks is, let's take our first stock, which is nothing but I think it's Infosys MGL, right? Okay. Now let's take Infi. So just apply Bollinger Band with default settings. And time frame is 1 hour, and pivots are standard. So I'm using Trading View. If you do not have Trading View, you can also use Zerodha or Upstock. So nothing wrong. So the methodology remains the same. So in Infi, if it is opening above 746 with an SL of 733, you can look till targets of 554 plus 564. These are certain levels which you can keep an eye. At the given volatility, it can reach up to a target of 756. Okay. Then coming to second one, MGL and Axis Bank. So MGL, Mahanagar Gas Limited. Similarly for MGL, you see this bullish pin bar. It acts to a confirmation that the buyers are not willing to settle for a lower price. If this stock opens above the 20 moving average, that is middle line, you can look for long position and you can look for targets up to 992 or 1020 or 1033. So when you have such a big pivot line, try to look for targets. The target which is in between these pivots, in this case it is around 1020. Okay. And the next one is Axis Bank. Okay. So now see this Axis Bank. We have a very good reversal pattern from the downside. Okay. That means there is definitely some strength in the stock to go up. Similarly, if we go long in the stock with an SL below maybe around 756, we will look for targets up to 766, 767 can be the immediate target. Then there's a huge rejection at this level. So a target up to 767 with SL somewhere around 758 can be a decent bet in this particular stock. And then for the bearish side, we have Marico and Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki has been in the downtrend from quite some time in this particular week. So here, as you can see, Marico is making a triple top on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see here, okay, this is this week's data, but take a look at the historical data. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is almost a triple top, more than a triple top formation here. And then the stock moved down. Similarly here, 1, 2, 3. So with these 3 points of triple top, I think Marico has potential to come down at least till 331 or somewhere around 335. So if you're a person who is looking to bet towards the shorter side, you can look at any PE options which are near the current price, so you can take an advantage of this. And the moment it closes outside about 342, you can try exiting your particular position. And then the other stock which we have on the bearish side is Maru Maruti Suzuki. Yeah, so Maruti Suzuki, as I just told you guys, this has been in downtrend from last 1 week. As you can see, it is continuously in downtrend. So what I believe is that this stock has potential to go further down. Maybe I don't know till what extent it is going to go, because I don't have the daily levels here. Yeah, as you can see now, you have some interesting data points here. So you can look for a short position in Maruti Suzuki. The current price is around 6669. Sorry, 6552 as on Friday closing. But this is a very strong reversal zone which we are approaching around. This is a very strong reversal zone which we are approaching, which is nothing but 6460 is a strong reversal zone, followed by 6323. So my advice for a stock like Maruti would be, don't try to look for short in the stock, because we are approaching a very strong reversal zone here. So try to, whenever the price touches somewhere around 6460, try to look for a long view in the stock with an SL slightly below this 6323 zone, and you can average your position as long as it is inside this particular demand zone. So these are my views, but from intraday perspective, you can definitely try to look for short in Maruti, since the overall trend is on the bearish side. So this is it for this week. All the best for your trading, and